Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you, dear students of class 10th. Hope all of you are fine, healthy, safe and sound. Today our topic is clause. Dear students, please follow me and listen. Watch this piece of paper and try to understand each and every word of this topic, that is clause. You know that clause in Urdu it is called जुमला और जुज, यानी जुमले को किस तरह वजूद में लाते हैं या जुमले किस तरह तरतीब देते हैं, यानी लफ्ज़ों को जोड़कर हम जुमला बनाते हैं. इसी तरह इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में भी या ग्रामर में भी ऐसा है. इट इज नोन एज clause. So clause here is that clause, watch this piece of paper. Clause is divided into small parts, that is clause and use. It becomes a clause. Clause and use, it becomes a clause. What do you mean by clause? Divide a sentence in two parts. Divide a sentence in two parts. Clause means divide a sentence in two parts. Use means use of a subject and a verb. यानी we use subject and a verb in a clause. We use subject and a verb to make a clause. Again, we use subject and a verb to make a clause. To make a clause. Now, divide a sentence in two parts. Divide a sentence in two parts. If in each part of the sentence a subject and a verb is used, each part is a clause. यानी इसके दो हिस्से किए जाते हैं, तो हर एक हिस्से में, दोनों हिस्सों में या हर एक हिस्से में सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब को इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, एंड और हर एक हिस्से को क्लाज कहते हैं, यानी हर एक हिस्से को क्लाज कहते हैं. अगेन, डिवाइड ए सेंटेंस इन टू पार्ट्स. इफ इन ईच पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस ए सब्जेक्ट and a verb is used. In each part of the sentence a subject and a verb is used. You remember it, dear students? If in each part of the sentence a subject and a verb is used, each part is a clause. Each part is a clause. So now the definition of clause. What is clause? A clause is a part of a sentence. A clause is a part of sentence with a subject and a verb finite in each part, and a verb finite in each part. And a clause is a part of sentence. A clause is a part of sentence with a subject and a verb that's finite in each part. In each part. Dear students, you understand this definition of clause? I'll repeat it. A clause is a part of sentence with a subject and a verb finite in each part. For example, here, as she came, comma, he had gone. As she came, he had gone. For example, as she came, comma, he had gone. Here there are two parts. First part is as she came. The second part is he had gone. As she came, he had gone. As she came, he had gone. In the subject as well as verb in this clause or in this example. So here are some examples below. Watch this, listen and try to understand. Now first here is as he cried. As he cried, she had fallen down. As he cried, she had fallen down. This is a sentence and it has two parts, and each part have a subject and a verb finite. and each part has a subject and a verb finite. Here we see here, as he cried. This first part, as he here is subject in the box, verb here is cried in the box. As he cried, यानी एक full यहाँ पर as he cried is a clause, but in this first part of the sentence, he is subject and cried is a verb. Now the second part of this sentence, she had fallen down. She here is the subject, had fallen is the verb finite, and second part is also a clause. And there are two parts of this sentence. Now first part is as he cried, second is she had fallen down. She had fallen down. Both parts have the subject as well as the verb finite. So dear students, here is the second example below. If you pray, God will help. 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 This is a sentence having two parts equally, and each part have a subject and a verb also. If you pray, you here is the subject and pray is the verb here in first part of this clause, and the second part here is God will help you. God is the subject, will help is the verb here. Will help is the verb here. So it is also a clause. Second part is a clause and first part is a clause. So in the sentence there are two clauses, there are two parts, and both parts have the clause. So we can say here, if you pray, is the first part of the sentence also is a clause, and second part is God will help you. Second part of the sentence is also a clause. So dear students, hope you will understand it. You will understand this a brief introduction regarding clause. Thanks for listening and cooperation. Allah bless you all.